Okay, welcome back YouTube, and today I'm gonna be trying out Octopus. I can't actually show. Hold up, 1 second. I don't know, but you wanna be in the video? Okay. So this is my sister Sarah, and this is an octopus. There. Ew, they feel so weird.
I'm not eating that.
So, Altoid, I'm gonna bite. Owie!
It smells so nasty. I'm not eating that.
This one's just a head.
Eyes.
You can see a head right here.
Why would you buy that? I'm not eating that.
Okay, so you see, this is the octopus. I don't want to. Feel like I wasted my money. You gonna eat it?
No!
You can at least try it.
Do it from the bottom.
No! That's where its pee
do.
comes out.
Hurry up.
Ah! Wait, I actually feel it.
Ew, it actually smells so bad.
It has a brain! It actually
has from the bottom, you dummy.
It actually has a
You
brain.
show it. Like that.
It has a real brain. Like, it has a real one.
I'm not eating that. That's disgusting. You definitely wasted your money.
Ooh, it's got a brain. I opened it. I opened its head. It's disgusting. Ew, there's something in its head. I want to try a tentacle. That is disgusting.
Ew, the smell. I'm going inside. That's disgusting.
It's disgusting. Ow. It's actually so gross. Trust me. Wait. Uno seconda. Ew. It actually has a brain. Ow, 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 ow. It doesn't even hurt. I'm just saying ow. I want to eat a tentacle, but it's so slimy. That's the weird part. I have a tentacle right here. Disgusting. Yeah. Disgusting.
Sweet.
They taste disgusting. Its head's right here. Disgusting. Ew. Ew. I don't think I could show that. Do not go in this video, I'm telling you. It actually has like disgusting brains on the inside. If you say hi, I'm literally coming. That's the wind. Ah!
Why don't you do that inside?
Come here, Grace. You want one?
I'm scared.
This is the brains. Look at that.
It stinks so bad.
That's on the inside of its head.
Wait.
Actually,
Is it covered in soy sauce? No, I do it. No.
you bite into it, and it's like kind of fun to chew. I don't know. It seems good when you're eating it, and then it just hits you with something disgusting.
I guess I'll try it.
Try it. It's not that bad. Trust me.
Wait, I want to do this one, I guess.
No, it's slimy, but don't worry. Doesn't matter. It's soy sauce.
I don't like soy sauce.
So I'm just gonna. This one's kind of small, so I'm just gonna like eat it whole. This is so disgusting.
Do I?
Just eat it, eat it, eat it.
No, I don't.
Eat it. Oh, I'm gonna eat this small one. This one's smaller.
Oh, I don't want to eat the octopus.
Ah! It has an eye. It has an eye.
Let me see it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What is that? Why did they see out of that? That's so disgusting. Ah!
I ain't doing this.
No. You have to eat it. You have to eat it.
No.
For the video, for YouTube. 3, 2,
I'm gonna get you back.
look. 3, 2, 1. The texture of the tentacles is the worst thing you could ever feel. I'm gonna end the video here, but you guys have to like and subscribe for this video, because I ate this disgust. I put that in my mouth. I put that whole thing in my mouth.
Which one? Which one should I eat?
This one. Ew, it's such disgusting. I'm literally dying.
Why are you eating it? Dan ate one, right?
Yeah, Dan ate an entire one. That's crazy.
Ew, it stinks.
On the inside of the brain. Okay, this is a head.
Pulling it apart.
This is a head right here.
Does it taste good?
Dad said not to spit it all over the deck, you weirdo.
It's kind of hard when it tastes like that.
This is why I gotta run.
Okay, guys, like, comment, and subscribe because I just ate that. Throw it away. Throw it away. Do not eat octopus. It's disgusting. I just wasted $5 for this. Do not buy it. But since I ate this, like, comment, and subscribe, and bye.